In the world of precision manufacturing, there is an indispensable small tool, the screw thread rolling die. It is the nameless hero behind every meticulous craftsmanship. Today, we are going to introduce the screw thread rolling die to you. It is a mold used for forming the threads of screws after the screw heads are shaped. But before that, let's briefly understand our screw specifications and types. Now, UKO's thread rolling die can meet JIS, Japanese Industrial Standard, ANSI, American National Standards Institute, DIN, Deutsches Institut für Normung, German Institute for Standardization, ISO, International Organization for Standardization, and GB, Chinese National Standard. The material of the thread rolling die is made of high-quality imported steel such as SKD 11, D2, DC53, SKH 9 from Japan, West Germany, Sweden, and other countries. It undergoes pressure cooling and vacuum heat treatment to ensure wear resistance, heat resistance, and good toughness for a long service life. The tooth plate made of SKD 11, D2 material requires 3 tempering processes, and the hardness needs to be strictly controlled between 61 to 62 degrees. 2. The tooth plate made of DC53 material requires 3 tempering processes, and the hardness needs to be strictly controlled between 61.5 to 62.5 degrees. 3. The tooth plate made of SKH 9 material requires 3 tempering processes, and the hardness needs to be strictly controlled between 63 to 64 degrees. For special tooth plates generally also require 3 tempering processes. The tooth profile and tip-tail tolerance of the thread rolling die are strictly controlled, surpassing general standards. Whether it's the construction of a bridge or the installation of a machine, this small tool is indispensable. It is the link that connects every component and ensures the solid guarantee of project quality. So, what data do we need to provide when ordering a tooth plate?